How to prevent cross-site scripting attacks. Here are some coding techniques and preventive steps to defend your web applications from XSS attacks. First one being variable validation. Now, variable validation is a technique for determining whether an input satisfies your desired criteria. By doing this, you may lower the possibility of harmful information wreaking havoc in your web application by ensuring that only secure and correctly structured data passes through. Use filters or regular expressions, for example, to ensure that an email address looks like the one that is expected from a user. Only to delegate operations and notify the user if it follows the anticipated format. Second one being output encoding. This is another way to protect against XSS attacks. That is output encoding. When you display dynamic content on your website like user comments or messages, you need to encode it properly before rendering it in HTML. Coding means converting special characters to harmless equivalents so the browser doesn't interpret them as code. Encoding ensures that script tags in a user's submission shows as ordinary text rather than being executed as scripts. OWASP offers a cheat sheet to help developers encode securely. The next one being HTML sanitization. HTML sanitization is a process of removing any scripts or components that might be hazardous from user-generated HTML. Before user input is shown on your website, HTML sanitization acts as a safety net, removing or neutralizing any possible risks. By doing this, you maintain the safety of your website and safeguard users from potentially dangerous activities. Next one being taking cookie security measures. Web applications can also set special rules for their cookie handling that can mitigate cookie theft via cross-site scripting attacks. Cookies can be tied to a particular IP address so that cross-site scripting attackers cannot access them. Additionally, rules can be created to block JavaScript from accessing cookies altogether. Next one being setting up WAF rules. A WAF can also be configured to enforce rules that will prevent reflected cross-site scripting. These WAF rules employ strategies that will block strange requests to the server, including cross-site scripting attacks. The Cloudflare WAF offers turnkey installation and protects web applications from cross-site scripting, DOS attacks, SQL injection, and other common threats.